Hey guys, me Ashley Thompson here. Today I'm doing another video. Today I'm going to be creating my sister an Animal Jam account, my little sister Olivia. So she's 4 right now, but she grows up, I'm probably gonna give it to her, like when it's her birthday or something. I'm sure she likes Fuzzy, Quiet Friend. I like that. She like it too. Well, she's probably. I'm just gonna make her older because I don't want her to like have no restrictions or anything like that. I think her username should be her name, Via223. Okay. Wait, no guys, no password. Sorry, I gotta pause. Okay, guys, I'm back. I gave you guys a password. I'm sorry. So she's 4, and I'm gonna give it to her on her 10th birthday, which will actually be when she's 10. She's 4 right now, so she'll be 10 in probably 2023, 2022, somewhere around that area. And I'll be like 23, so I probably won't be animal jamming anymore. Probably give my Spark Stock. I'll probably keep that account. Where is Peck? It's a glitch. Oh my gosh, here she is. I have the tab muted because I don't want to hear her talk or anything. So I gave her the user Silent Wolf 109. She'll probably be a famous jammer. I don't know. Whatever she wants to do. I let her play on my Sparkstock 32 account a little bit. And gosh, she was good at it. Like, she made my wolf and everything pretty. She like made it was actually in the ocean. She was getting frustrated she didn't know how to play it. I was trying to get her to like I think she'd like the color purple or pink. She can do what she wants. She likes hearts. Like no, she would not like that. She can probably look cute on that. First, let's make that pink. There we go. She loved that. Looks cute. Copied one of my sister's animals looks on Team Eco Lover 554. Her wolf is just like that. And I remember when same color what it was. And she was a member. She hasn't been on it in like 3 years. She created it in 2015. Actually, I feel really good because like when I was like carrying Sally Fox 45, like I actually figured out how to create an account, and like I was like, and this was 2000 or like Christmas 2014. Dude, I'm clicking. So yeah, and it was just like it was cool. Oh my gosh, okay. I was talking about Animal Jam accounts. Yeah. So Sally 45 months first. So I just had to go create an animal. I actually had Sally 45 as the user, so I just like, oh my gosh. I wrote down the username and the password, so I created the account and logged in, and that's how I knew how to create accounts from now on. Keep the accounts instead of making new ones every day. So yeah, and then I had to do it from then on to Sparkstock 32, and Tabu 78 came out for Sally Fox, but I messed that account up. I used Animal Jam item generators, and they hacked it. Yeah, I also had Sparkstock the account then, but I didn't upload Animal Jam videos. I do not want to go to my den. No. Okay, now it's time for me to get my sister items. And then I'll create my brothers in the next video. Silent Wolf 109. That's the user. I have to put some things on trade. Get to buy some things. I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm new. Oh, come on, get off me, you jerk. What are you doing? I hate it when people do that. And, okay, I know. Oh, they have a silver spike. As a matter of fact, guys, at the end of this video, if I can't get, actually in part 2, when I do my brother Preston's account, I'm gonna, like, show you an inventory tour on my SparkSub32 account. No one's trading me so far. Chicken nuggets. Why? I'm not gonna get any trades. She'll just have to do it on her own when she's older. How was I gonna say trade me fairly? Items aren't worth anything. I forgot to add that I'm new, and my computer lags on it sometimes. And if this cuts out, I'm sorry. I don't really keep an eye on the time. I'm gonna have to end the video here because it's taking too long, and I probably won't get items. But if I do, I'll show you the next part of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.